Hello, welcome to my channel. This is the King's Tutor. Now we are given a question to solve. The question have opening capital of 10,800, drawings 2,500, trade creditors 2,560, trade debtors 2,880, cash in hand 1,000, and net profit is 6,000. And the first question is, what is the closing capital? The closing capital is dash. These are the several options. Now the closing capital, given this item, we are going to look for it using the format of the single entry and incomplete records, the statement of profit or loss, how we can get profit. Okay, because if you watch this other item, this is the item that connotes to that. So the format for that is the closing capital, then add drawings, to give you a value. Then you now less have the opening capital. We add it with additional capital. Now, whatever you have here after adding, you now less it from what we have here. So the value you have here will now give us a net profit or loss. And it is net profit if this closing capital value is higher than this. It is net loss if this is less than this. Okay. Now, let's now put this together our closing capital. Now, if we check here now, net profit is given as 6,000. So it's already given here as 6,000. Okay. So now we have opening capital as 10,800. There's no additional capital. So what we have here is 10,800. Okay. So from here now we have drawings as 2,500. We have drawings 2,500. Now we don't have opening closing capital. That's what we're looking for. Now, if you watch here, this plus this is supposed to give us an item here. So it means if we know the closing capital, if you add it, it's supposed to give us an item here. Okay? Now, that value here, if you less it from this, that is what will give us what? The net profit. So let's get the item here. So since we don't have additional capital, so it means to get the item here, you have to add this plus this to get this. So 6,000 plus 10,800 will give us 16,800. Okay, so that's 16,800. Now 16,800. Now to get the closing capital, remember I said this plus this will give us this. Okay, so to get 16,800, it means we have to deduct 25 from this, since this plus that will give us this. So 16,800 minus 25, it will give us 14,300. Okay, so that we'll have 14,300. This plus this will give us 16,800. 16,800 minus 10,800 gives us 6,000. So our closing capital is 14,300. Now let's check here. What do we have here? Closing capital is what? 14,300. So that is closing capital. So the next question said, what is the working capital? So ensure you get the working capital in this question. Drop it in the comment section and I'll respond to that. Thank you very much.